Indian troops in their unabated acts of state terrorism martyred 5 innocent Kashmiris in the last month of February. According to the data issued by the research section of Kashmir Media Service, of those killed, 2 youth were martyred by the troops in custody. Indian police also tortured to death 1 detained civilian in Kathua district. As many as 115 youth were arrested while 7 people were injured due to the use of brute force by Indian police on peaceful protesters during 193 cordon and search operations during the month. All parties Hurriyat conference leaders paying rich tribute to the victims of Zakura and Tengpora massacres on their 33rd martyrdom anniversary today have reaffirmed the Kashmiris' resolve to accomplish the mission of their martyrs at all costs. According to Kashmir Media Service, more than 50 innocent people were martyred and dozens others were injured when Indian troops opened fire on peaceful protesters in Zakura and Tengpora areas of Srinagar on this day in 1990. APHC leaders including Ghulam Muhammad Khan Sopori, Chaudhry Shaheen Iqbal, Sayyid Bashir Andrabi, Khwaja Fardos, Engineer Hilal War, Zamruda Habib, Yasmin Raja, Farida Behenji in their statements said massacres like Zakura and Tengpora carnages are part of the ongoing genocidal drive by India in the occupied territory. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has paid homage to the martyrs of Zakura and Tengpora massacre on their 33rd martyrdom anniversary today. APHC AJK leaders at a meeting presided over by the convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar said the Kashmiri people will not allow the sacrifices of their martyrs to go waste. Modi-led Indian regime has started attaching properties of nearly 168 displaced Kashmiri men who were forced to migrate to Azad Kashmir over the past 3 decades. Of them, 118 belong to Doda, 36 to Kishtwar and 14 to Rajouri and Poonch districts of the occupied territory. A court of India's dreaded National Investigation Agency awarded death penalty to 7 Muslims on a fake case registered against them by the BJP government in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. Census in Asia's largest freshwater Wular lake in the northern Kashmir has suggested that it hosts more than 50,000 migratory birds. Srinagar city, summer capital, would soon host a splendid cherry-themed garden on the pattern of Japanese sakura. A hanging restaurant will be thrown open in Srinagar this spring for the food lovers. The food lovers would enjoy famous Kashmiri wazwan, Chinese and other cuisines of their choice in the hanging restaurant.